What's going on, y'all? Come on now, we still got this thing rolling. What we're gonna do first? All right, we've been on about an hour and a half. I'm gonna go ahead and do a spritz. All right, hang on. Let me do a little sip proof first. All right, my spritz contains nothing more than apple cider vinegar, apple juice, and Jim Beam bourbon. Come on, gotta have some bourbon today, right? We're gonna go ahead and check these bad boys out, see how we're rolling. Oh, come on. Look at that color. Come on. Oh, give that a nice little spritz. That color is looking good. Oh, you kidding me right now? God, it's gonna be some good eating. Ooh, I'm gonna probably spritz about every half hour. That's what I'm thinking. See what happens. All right, we're gonna come over to 22-inch Weber. Time to throw down some Carne Asada. Oh, like I said, these been marinating in these juices. Come on, put this bad girl on there. Yep. God, that just looks good. That just looks good. Oh, come on now. Get it on there. I'm gonna do a little indirect on this. I don't wanna cook them too much. I wanna still keep it nice, a little bit of red, pink inside. Oh, did you hear that just flop? Did you hear that just flop on there? Come on. Oh, this is amazing. God, this is gonna be a great cook. Good Lord, there's a lot in there. That's 4 pounds, man. That shit goes a long way. Ooh, like I said, they've been marrying garlic, cumin, jalapenos, cilantro, orange juice, lime juice, lemon juice. Oh, I don't even know. I can't even remember all the damn ingredients I got in there. But I think it's gonna be good. We're gonna let that do its thing right now. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna leave that on there for a little bit, a little indirect. Cover her up. I'll pour 22. I haven't used her in, shoot, probably 2 months since I got the new one. Hey, you guys are all still enjoying those cooks, man. Come on now. Corona's still flowing. God, they're flowing right now. This is gonna be some good stuff. More coming at you. It's all day for this extravaganza. Timmy, it's like that cow mask, man. Come on now. Cheers, y'all. Yeah, buddy. Here we go. Y'all ready for that Carne Asada taco? Come on now. The extravaganza continues right here. Oh, Corona's in hand. All right, so here's what we got. We got our tortillas going. Threw those on the grill. You don't need nothing much. Just a little heat. Just a little heat. See that? Just a little tiny heat. That's all they need. That's all they need. So we're gonna come over this way. We're gonna take that Carne Asada. We're gonna bring it. Yeah. Ooh, that's hot. That's a quick one. That was hot. All right, we're gonna open her up real quick. Come on now, look at that. Oh, come on. Come on, we're gonna grab a little piece in there. Come on. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. I'll throw down some tortillas. You can call them a tortilla. I don't care what you call them. Now, here we go. All right, we're gonna go ahead and throw some of that Carne Asada right on there like so. Come on. Guys, this is gonna be good. I'm telling you. You use that marinade that I was telling you all about. Oh, you can't go wrong. Throw some cheese on there. We got our homemade salsa. We got some homemade guac. Come on, get in there. We got some lettuce. And we're gonna throw some sour cream. A little plop. Just like so. You all ready? Come on now. Oh, Hey, it's a Cinco de Mayo, Kentucky Derby Extravaganza. God, it's been one hell of a cook. We still got those ribs rolling. We're gonna wrap those ribs any minute now. Come on, come on. You see that just drip down? Come on, that Carne Asada. That marinade's amazing. Oh, shit, we're losing some brow. Come on. There's that Corona to y'all, man. Cheers. Sippy Poo Saturday. Uh-huh. It's a big yeah buddy on that one. Uh-huh.